Hey YouTube, in today's video I'll show you how you can create a bootable USB stick. For this example, I want to create a bootable Windows 10 installer. To do that, go to your web browser and search rufus.ie, press enter, and you should get this website. Now over here, scroll down, and under download, look for Rufus Portable. Click the second link and save it to your desktop. Once you download Rufus, open it, click no, and over here you'll see a blank device. This means there's no USB drives plugged in. Now I'm going to plug in my USB drive. As you can see, it's been plugged in. It automatically detected it. Now what I'm going to do now is select the ISO file, click here, Windows 10, open. Now the cool thing with Rufus is that instead of just creating a bootable installer, you can also make it to install basically Windows on your USB drive. So whenever you plug in your USB, let's say on a broken laptop, and you boot it up, it will automatically launch Windows from the USB drive itself. So that's a cool feature. But for today's video, I'll be selecting standard Windows installation just so I can install Windows from the USB. Now, if you have an older computer, then you'll most likely select MBR and target BIOS. But since I have everything new, it's not 10 years old, then select GPT, have it run UEFI if your BIOS handles that. And yeah, that's all you have to do. Simply click start. And before you click OK, double make sure that you have nothing on your USB stick that's valuable to you. Let's say pictures, music. Make sure you back that up before you click OK. Once you do that, click OK and wait until it creates the bootable drive. Once it's done, it will say ready and you'll be able to close the program. And that's that. If I want to install a clean version of Windows, all I have to do now is simply take the USB stick and plug it into the PC or laptop that I have, and make sure it boots up to the Windows installation wizard, and from there, simply install Windows. That's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. I'll happily reply. And yeah, subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.